Greetings everyone, myself Suhani. I am a part of Puran Murthy Global School. I am a student of class 12th from non-medical stream. So today's our topic is amine, a chapter from class 12th organic chemistry. So what does amine means? Amines, we can consider them as a derivative of ammonia, which we obtain from replacement of hydrogen. Okay, for see, like we have NH3. When we will replace one H and add on another group, we will obtain amines. So next let's move to the structure of amines. We have 3H. The angle between these two H should be 109.5, but we have 108. Why 108? Because N is our nucleophile, means it is a positive loving atom. This will try to move to a positive place. It have a negative charge, so due to the repulsion between these two electrons, the angle between these two decreases from 109 to 108. So angle we obtain is 108 and we should have is 109.5. This is the structure. Let's move to the classification now. In classification there are three classifications. First is primary, next secondary, and then tertiary. It simply means in primary, when we remove one H from ammonia, and in secondary we replace 2H, and in tertiary we replace 3H. So for example, we have NH3. For primary we will replace one H and will add one R. Okay, and in secondary similarly we'll replace 2H and add 2 R's. And for tertiary we'll replace 3H with 3 R's. This is the classification of amines. Next, move to the preparation of amines. Basically we have 6 reactions for this. From those 6, these are some 3 of them. So first is reduction of nitro compounds. So basically we have this structure. We have the structure, the NO2 is attached here, and we will give H to this as we have studied before, and it will become NH2. The O2 will replace with H2, and this is the final result we'll get. Our next reaction is ammonolysis. Ammonolysis is basically again in 3 parts. First in primary, then secondary, and then tertiary. It's nothing, just in each step one H keeps on decreasing. First reaction we have this NH3 plus RX. So here what we did is we just add both of them and we get this as a resultant. So what we will do is RNH3 with NX, and as we know it is a nucleophile, so it will move to R because this is partially charged and X is partially negative. Okay, so we will get this, and if we give NaOH to this, we will get RNH2, another R, and H2O plus NaX. This will be our resultant, and from this RNH2 with one more R, we will give again NaOH. But first we have to add on the RX. The way we did here, we have to do same over here. So we will obtain RNH2R and X, and when we will give NaOH, we will obtain NH R and one more R plus H2O plus NaX. So here this is our secondary amine. This is our tertiary amine. And what we got here is our primary amine. And the reaction doesn't stop here. On the fourth stage of this, the H properly disappears and it is remain as this is what we get as our final resultant when the whole H is replaced by R's. So this is what we get from our second reaction. Moving to the third reaction, a very important reaction and a simple reaction at the same time. Here we have C with 2 double bond O and we have N and H. We gave KOH to this. In this reaction, it's very simple. The H would be replaced with K and form water, means H2O. So the final result we will get would be very simple. The K replaced H, took a place of H, and this H plus OH gave us H2O. So this is it for the 3 reactions. This is all about my topic for today. So thank you and have a nice day.